Hey, what's poppin'? Just chilling today, cracking, trying out different stuff. I found something different I'm gonna try today. And what it's called is Bentons Strawberry Hearts. Now, Bentons Strawberry Hearts are shortbread cookies filled with strawberry fruit filling and a milk chocolate base per 3 cookie serving. Ooh, it's all fancy. Let's see what these about. I'm in this fancy tent. Gonna be talking about something. I'm gonna be knowing all this for sure. Okay, the bottom of it chocolate, the top of it cookie. Boom. And then you got that strawberry middle. Boom. Excuse my nails. Okay. Like eat these like that. Chocolate good, milk chocolate, cookie good, and the strawberry even good. It's not real loose, a little sticky, but the flavors go good together. I wouldn't even expect it. I don't like cookies like that, but it's good. I can fool with them. I like these. Yes, sir. I don't know what I do with the top. Put me in the pocket. Put me in the pocket. Put me in the pocket.